y is equal to cos x. Again, in the similar manner, I'll take the unit circle. Again, the same way. Here it's very clear that cos theta is nothing but x coordinate. X coordinate. Please don't get confused. Here theta I'm taking angle. Here x is the angle. So both are not same here. This x and this x, they are different. Okay, here I'm just taking this unit circle for the reference. Otherwise, I'm writing function as y is equal to cos x. Now, x coordinate. Here it is 1. Here it is -1. Got the idea? So it is defined for all values. So if I say domain, then you will say it is defined for all values of x. All values of x. So domain, if I write, it will be x, where x belongs to R. Okay. Now range. You can see it is very much clear that cos theta lies between -1 and +1. So it will be -1 less than or equal to plus cos x less than or equal to +1. So the range will be -1 to +1, both inclusive. Okay. Periodicity. Period. Here also, if you check, cos 0 is 1. Then cos pi by 2 is 0. Then cos pi is -1. Then cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Then cos 2 pi is 1. You can see now it's repeating. After what interval? 2 pi. So here we can write cos 2 pi plus x is equal to cos x. In general, we can write cos 2 and pi plus x is equal to cos x. The least is 2 pi. So 2 pi will be considered as the period of cos x. Got it? Now here if I try to draw the graph, +1, -1. Take this as 0. Again, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. And this side I can write minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Okay, this time cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0, then cos pi is -1, then again 0, then maximum. So what will you do? The graph will move like this, and if I extend this side, it will move like this. Okay, so here also in the same manner you can see the graph repeats. The graph repeats after 2 pi of interval. So 2 pi is the period, and this is the graph of y is equal to cos x. Okay,